Kalab, I am Cherry Faith L. Aquino, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to set up a tent. So mga Kalab, arit na! Training mga Kalab, when setting up a tent, it is essentials. This stick and then second is to lay down the tent fabric on the ground. Third one is to connect the poles.
Kaya't lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna. Dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. Dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. Dahan-dahan iangat ang mukha upang silayan ang payapang kalangitan. Oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa. Kaya't lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna.
So when setting up a tent, the things that you must have is your medicine kit, like cotton, thermometer, alcohol, tissue, a bandage, and a flashlight. And also you must include it extra clothes, or bring extra clothes for setting. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.